In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase hotspot data limit in iPhone. The key thing to know is that there is no hidden switch on the iPhone that magically raises your hotspot allowance. Your mobile carrier controls how much hotspot data you get based on the plan you pay for and any limits or throttling rules they apply. To start with method 1, open your carrier's app or website on your iPhone. Once it loads, you should see your account name and your phone number somewhere near the top, along with things like your data usage or current plan name. If you do not have the app, most carriers let you sign in using Safari with the same username and password. Next, sign in to your account. After you log in, the main account page usually shows your current plan and how much data you have used in this billing cycle. Some carriers even show a separate hotspot bar or label so you can see exactly how much tethering data is left. From there, look for something called Data Plan, Mobile Data, or Hotspot or Tethering. It might be under a Manage Plan section or a Change Plan button. When you tap into this area, you should see a list of your current plan features, including total data and any hotspot allowance shown in gigabytes. Now choose a plan that lists a larger hotspot allowance. Some plans say unlimited data, but only allow a certain amount for hotspot, so read the hotspot line carefully before you choose. A useful tip here is that some carriers offer add-ons that boost hotspot data without changing everything else in your plan. Once you have picked the new plan or add-on, confirm the plan change. You will usually see a summary screen with the new monthly cost and when the change takes effect, either immediately or at the next billing cycle. After you tap confirm, your carrier processes the change in the background. After that, restart your iPhone, or toggle cellular data off and then back on from the cellular screen. This forces the phone to reconnect to the network with your updated plan details. When it comes back online, your new hotspot limit applies automatically. You do not need to adjust anything in personal hotspot settings. Remember, if your carrier limits hotspot data, changing an iPhone setting will not increase that allowance. Any option you see on the phone only controls whether hotspot is available, not how much data it can use. Now for method 2. On your iPhone, open Settings. You will see your Apple ID name at the top and a list of options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Cellular just below. Tap Cellular. On this screen, you can see whether cellular data is on, as well as your current carrier name and network options. Breathe 4 down to view your cellular data usage. You will see numbers for the current period and for roaming if you have used it. Many carriers count hotspot data inside that main cellular total, so sudden spikes here often mean hotspot activity. You can reset the statistics at the beginning of your billing cycle using Reset Statistics. When you tap it, the counters go back to 0, and from that point on you can track exactly how much data you use until your next bill, including days when you rely heavily on hotspot. For method 3, if you are running out of hotspot data quickly, you can stretch what you have. Turn on low data mode by going to Settings, then Cellular Data Options, then tap Low Data Mode. When this is on, your iPhone tells apps and system services to use less data, which helps when tethering. Also, avoid streaming video at high quality while connected to the hotspot. Streaming in high definition can burn through gigabytes in a short session, so dropping quality on the connected device gives you more hours before you hit the limit. Pause cloud backups and large downloads on the connected device. Things like photo backups or game updates can quietly use a lot of data in the background, so pausing them until you are on Wi-Fi keeps your hotspot allowance for the tasks you really need. Finally, disconnect devices you are no longer using. If a laptop or tablet stays connected, it can keep syncing emails, photos, and app updates without you noticing, slowly eating up your hotspot data. You have now seen how to raise your hotspot allowance through your carrier, track your usage, and cut down how fast you burn it. If this helped you get more useful time from your hotspot, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple iPhone tips like this.